together.
Besties forever.
Forever.
Yeah.
Forever.
And ever.
So, bonjour tout le monde. So I'm sure that a lot of you guys will have questions for us. So we'll go ahead and introduce ourselves a little bit more so you guys know about us, okay? So you guys can call me Chris.
Call me Phoebes.
And we have been together for 2 years now and we're married. So this is our journey doing this whole YouTube thing. The goal is to definitely have fun and create content and trying to branch out and actually really grow as much as we can. But it started 2 years ago. We met on a dating app called Hinge.
Shout out to you guys.
Yeah, so it was a really great experience for sure there. A couple days later, we decided to go on a date, which was at Boondocks.
Best date ever. He
Yeah.
brought me roses, guys. He brought me roses
Yeah.
and chocolates, and he showed up looking fine
On time.
and on time.
So it was a great first date. We hit it off right there. And then we decided to sit together, go on more dates, share each other's goals and what we were looking for in a relationship. And then we just ended up together. And it really helped that we both were Christian and we had a clear goal of what we were looking for. So we just stick with it. And then we got to meet each other's family, go on dates, travel together, and meet each other's friends. And then it grew like that, and now we're married.
Yeah, we just couldn't get enough of each other, so we decided to put a ring on it.
Yeah, I decided to put a ring on her.
Okay, well, he decided to put a ring on me.
Yeah, so that's a quick introduction of our story. Together for 2 years, met on a dating app, and now we are happily married.
Best 2 years of our lives.
Yeah, and now we're besties, married. Just together making now content. So if you guys want to see more of this, just go ahead and follow, and we'll release more of these.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
These
it.
amazing videos.
Yeah,
Follow along.
yeah. See you guys soon.
Bye.